without the itty bailey bits.
That's what I mean. Ready?
Yeah. Punch it, Beavers. Medium right to medium left. Into medium right, medium left, back onto tarmac. Into 90 right, hairpin left. Flat right. To merge, it's clear, that's what I can see. Into hairpin left. Chicane on exit, keep it tidy. Yeah, a bit like that. Short straight into chicane, it's a right entry, opens out. And go on, get on it. Good lad. Caution, guess what? This is slippery, this bit.
You having a laugh?
No, I'm being deadly serious, it's slippery.
He wants to fucking stop where he is.